Are beard wax and mustache wax the same? For years now, facial hair has been a big deal. It's been back in fashion recently, and more than ever, men are using beards and mustaches as a statement of what kind of man they are, or what kind of lifestyle they lead. This has made grooming products become increasingly popular, and caused the market to explode with thousands of varieties to choose from. If you groom your beard and mustache, you will likely need wax to hold your facial hair in place and style it the way you want. A beard and mustache are two very different types of facial hair, and subsequently, they each need special care. If you are looking for a good wax for either your beard or mustache, and are wondering if beard wax and mustache wax are the same, here is your answer. Beard wax and mustache wax are two different products with similar ingredients, but they are not entirely the same. Though these products are not the same, they share a similarity in that they effectively tame facial hair. In this video, you will see the differences between these two products, the benefits of using beard wax and mustache wax, and how to use them. And by the way, if you want more videos like this one, show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. What is beard wax? Beard wax shares some common ingredients with beard balm and beard oil, but it has an entirely different purpose from these products. Although beard wax is similar to beard balm when you look at their constitution, beard wax is a styling product with a stronger consistency than beard balm and beard oil. Beard wax acts as a conditioner while mustache wax has more taming abilities. Beard wax is softer, making it less tough in taming mustache hair, but it works perfectly for the beard, which tends to be softer. It is mostly made up of beeswax. That's what gives it its stronghold feature, but it also includes essential oil and carrier oil acting as its base components. Many beard waxes also contain lanolin. This is a waxy substance that provides extra hold. These functions add up to beard wax being referred to as a special must-have styling product. It is perfect for longer beards that prove harder to tame. In addition to its taming capabilities, beard wax helps moisturize and condition your beard, all thanks to the oils present in it. The oil gives the beard a nice scent, though the scent is fainter than that of beard oil and beard balm. Applying beard wax. Applying beard wax is done almost the same way you apply your beard balm. I am sure you are familiar with beard balm because it's a must-have product too. To apply your beard wax, start with a thumb-sized amount, and rub it in between your palms to soften it. You can add more if necessary. When it's soft and melted, you can then apply it to your beard, starting from the roots and down until you get to the tip. When you have your entire beard covered with beard wax, you can then use a beard brush or comb to style it to your desired style, and the wax will keep the style firming in place for many hours. What is a mustache wax? Men with a mustache must become expert mustache groomers. Mustache groomers know that they need the right grooming products to keep their mustache healthy and well styled. To do this, rely on a good mustache wax. It will go a long way so simplifying your grooming routine. Mustache wax is pomade-like in consistency. It is made with beeswax, shea nut oil or coconut oil, pine resin, tallow, and scented oils. Mustache wax softens and moisturizes your hair to make it feel and look great. It also tames your hair, keeping it away from your mouth. Your partner won't have to complain of your mustache feeling bristly and rough when you use mustache wax because its holding ability ensures your hair is soft and doesn't get to your mouth when kissing. The same thing applies to eating food. You don't have to struggle with hairs in your mouth while eating your delicious meals. Mustache wax comes in handy and keeps your hair in place. The required stiffness is based on the length of your whiskers and the style you prefer. There are many good reasons to use mustache wax, and I hope you are using it already. If not, do your whiskers some good by getting some. Applying mustache wax. Using a hard mustache wax may be quite difficult to remove from the tin before applying. I would suggest that you go for a mustache wax that uses natural oils and beeswax. These ingredients make it easier to use and maneuver because it is softer. To use mustache wax the right way, apply a small amount to your mustache. Start from the middle and work your way to the outside. Now is the time to make use of a mustache comb to train the mustache while styling it. Simple, right? Sure it is. It's simple to apply, especially if you make use of quality mustache wax. What's the difference between beard wax and mustache wax? Beard wax and mustache wax aren't the same. Though they are similar, some of their ingredients are different. Mustache wax is stronger when it comes to showing off facial hair holding abilities. The main ingredient in these mustache waxes is beeswax. This is such a strong material that it holds an entire beehive together. Now you understand how your waxes have that much strength. Although mustache wax contains resin, sap, the reason for the extra hold is the beeswax. Mustache wax isn't a conditioner for your whiskers. Beard oil and beard balm are conditioners you can use on your mustache. When it comes to resolving issues such as beard rough, beard oils and balms work better. Finally, even though beard wax and mustache wax aren't the same, they are both good for your facial hair. They offer protection from external elements since it forms a protective layer against harsh conditions. If you want to wear well-styled facial hair, then you need both beard wax and mustache wax. Mistakes to avoid when using wax. Here are a few mistakes you should avoid when applying beard and mustache wax. I've made some of these mistakes and had to learn the hard way. Our aim at Beard Guidance is to make your grooming process easier by providing tips to support you. The mistakes. Not being gentle while using a beard or mustache wax. If you are not gentle, you can accidentally pull out some hairs. Rushing to get it styled. Styling a beard or mustache may take time, depending on your skills. Always give yourself enough time to avoid feeling pressured and making mistakes. Not practicing. Just like with everything, practice makes perfect. You have to keep practicing to get better. Not knowing the product you are using. There are different waxes out there. It's important to get familiar with the one you're using. Find out if it's easy to work with, if it's heat activated, and how much you will need to style your facial hair. Applying oil to your beard or mustache before applying wax. Wax isn't water soluble but is soluble in oils. Applying oil can break down the wax while applying. Don't be disappointed if you can't style your facial hair properly. With patience and lots of practice, you will get better. Things to consider when buying a beard and mustache wax. There are so many brands of beard wax and mustache wax out there. If you want to make a good choice out of the several options, there are things you can consider to make an educated decision. Keep reading. How many ingredients? It's a general notion that the more ingredients in wax, the better quality it is. Maybe you can apply this rule. However, have it in mind that the best waxes contain beeswax, butter, and natural oils, so make sure it is on the ingredients list. What's the quality of the ingredients? Some waxes have synthetic ingredients such as petroleum jelly instead of natural and organic products. If you want the best, choose products that are made with all natural ingredients. How strong is the hold? The reason you are buying wax is due to its holding ability. Before you choose, find out if the product will keep your beard and mustache where you want it for a long period. The hold is the point of the wax. Keep shopping until you get one that offers this statement about level of hold. When it comes to hold, waxes are grouped into 3 categories: soft/light, medium, and strong/hard. People with shorter beards or mustaches should go for the soft/light. Medium hold is good for people with longer beards or mustaches who also want to style it easily. The strong/hard hold is perfect for people who just want to keep their facial hair in place. The scent. This is definitely a personal preference. Therefore, you should buy according to your preference. They can range in scent from unscented to a heavy musky smell. If you are sensitive to smell, it's better to go for waxes without scent or the ones with a light scent. The color. Waxes come in different colors. To avoid making a beard grooming blunder, always go for colors that match your mustache and beard. Conclusion. I've said it countless times in my other posts, you are definitely missing out if you are not using the right products to enhance your facial hair. Imagine having a neatly styled beard or mustache without having to constantly smooth it down or sweep hair away from your mouth. I highly recommend that you start enjoying the benefits of waxes if you've not started already. Grooming healthy facial hair is hard work, but picking the right products reduces your stress and provides you with good results. Don't neglect your facial hair. Take care of it just as well, if not better than you take care of the hair on your head. Trust me, you will reap the benefits. And when you finally do, you will agree with me that your hard work paid off. Your facial hair will look clean, tidy and stylish, increasing your confidence and improving your look. If you are having trouble growing a beard, then it is important for you to know the actual truth about the biggest beard growing myths. Therefore, check out the first link in the video description below this video and grab your free copy of the 7 biggest beard growing myths that you probably still believe in and what you can do to grow a beard faster. Thanks for watching.